Hey, welcome to Tech Factuala, where you can stay up to date with the latest progress of technologies and gadgets. GoFundMe is an American crowdfunding site for profit that enables individuals to raise funds for activities ranging from life occasions such as holidays and graduations to daunting conditions such as accidents and diseases. GoFundMe is a free forum for personal campaigns in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, the Netherlands, and Spain. GoFundMe is trusted for its quick, reliable fundraising platform around the world. Your GoFundMe can be customized and shared in just a few minutes. To defend against fraud, the trust and safety team operates around the clock. The GoFundMe app makes it easy to start your campaign on the go and manage it. With a global community of over 50 million, GoFundMe is the world's largest free social fundraising site that has raised over $9 billion through more than 120 million donations to support individuals, charities, and organizations. Today, GoFundMe supports this mission by allowing individuals at the touch of a button to donate money. More than 50 million people have used the platform to raise more than $5 billion for those in need since it was launched in 2010. From new product releases to medical debt to scientific research, crowdfunding has become an important instrument for raising money for all. GoFundMe uses 53 technology products and services, including Google Analytics and jQuery, according to G2 Stack. If you want to get updated about more technologies, do not forget to subscribe to the Tech Factuala for more riveting content. Just one click on the bell icon and stay with us. Let's begin with the 9 awesome tech products in GoFundMe. Number 1. Democracy Lab. Democracy Lab is helping to launch Tech for Good projects by linking them to skilled volunteers who want to have a positive impact. The platform is open to any nonprofit organization that needs technical assistance and any person who has an idea of using technology to advance the public good. It helped launch dozens of Tech for Good projects and helped advance their careers by helping hundreds of volunteers gain experience, build their portfolios, and strengthen their networks. Often, Tech for Good projects are distinct from other technologies. They focus on enhancing the public good rather than profit. A report describing the chicken and egg issue plaguing the nonprofit tech sector was published by Fast Forward, a nonprofit tech accelerator, stating, "Many foundations will not fund a nonprofit without signs of proven impact. Tech nonprofits are distinctive. Before they can prove impact, they must build their product, and they cannot build the tech product without funding." Many agree that there are many chicken and egg issues in the Tech for Good movement, but they disagree that tech products cannot be built without funding. It's exactly as it was done, and it's what the platform has designed to help others accomplish. Products have the opportunity, once launched, to prove their concepts, attract funding, and achieve impact on scale. Number 2. Bring Reuse Identification App. To find out how they are reused, upload a screenshot of your donations. It depends on donations of well-recycled constructed materials from individuals and corporations. The donor and customer base spreads every corner of Lane County, frequently forcing donors to drive hundreds of miles round trip from their homes to carry items since they provide a unique service. Although they publish a list of types of items they normally accept and sell, if it is not reusable, the workers reserve the right to reject a donation. Not the sort of item to be taken damaged, dangerous, out of style, oversupply, etc. They do not consider an object for several reasons. Number 3. Banana. Local-based food donation software scheme. This is a great time to increase development work on initiative in response to the recent COVID situation that has impacted communities. While there are apparent improvements in purchasing patterns from both consumers and producers, food waste is unavoidable. It must be tackled more than ever as hunger appears more when an epidemic affects local economies. This is an urgent opportunity to make us work on high-level development tasks to assist us as quickly as possible to launch the alpha version. The Banana app is a technology campaign to help reduce poverty by avoiding unintended hunger and reducing food waste. The Banana app mobile technology project will provide a time-sensitive forum for supermarkets, groceries, produce stands, and restaurants to donate bananas, produce, or foods that are not deemed aesthetically pleasing for market show or sale, but are still edible and in good condition. Number 4. A-B Street. A-B Street is a game that models the traffic system of any city in detail, including sidewalks, turning lanes, parking, traffic signals, etc. It stimulates the movement of cars, bikes, buses, and pedestrians through it. Players should reallocate existing road space and change intersections, convert a traffic signal to a pedestrian-only scramble cycle, and then run a rigorous A-B test to examine all individuals' effects. Proposals in this game can connect transit authorities, cycling advocacy organizations, and the general public in both directions. The AB Street project also involves work on neighborhoods and zoning for 15 minutes and tools to assist volunteers from OpenStreetMap. Number 5. Orca Sound. Web app open source at live.orcasound.net allows users to listen to and act to protect whales. Live.orcasound.net's Orca Sound software helps citizen scientists track and record the whale's acoustic environment when they hear orcas call, whistle, or click, or hear other fascinating signals. Simultaneously, machine learning classifiers are operating on lossless, uncompressed information that is also transmitted from each hydrophone to AWS S3 buckets. In addition to promoting fundamental research into the communication and echolocation systems of fish-eating killer whales and other local marine animals, synergies between human and computer detection and classification would also improve many other research and educational programs the orcas recover. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 6. Shelter App, Strapped. Shelter App Inc. is an all-volunteer non-profit organization whose mission it is to help connect homeless and low-income families with resources. For the next version of the application, the Shelter app releases an AI-driven chatbot. At present, this chatbot is embedded in web and smartphone applications. They would like to build this chatbot as a widget to be distributed to interested providers of nonprofits or services. The second is there is no internet access for some of the app users, so some offline capabilities have been introduced to mobile app platforms, iOS and Android. Number 7. Policing data analysis, data storytelling. Information analysis of local police activities. They perform data analysis and data storytelling around local police and law enforcement activities to support discussions about the future of public safety in our neighborhoods. They use local data to better understand past law enforcement patterns, trends, and biases. In other communities in the United States and overseas, they also search for evidence on what works to stimulate fresh debates and new ways of thinking about the future of public safety. Number 8. Turn the Bus. App for students in developing countries focused on open edX. Need coders to assist students on smartphones with multiple AI or ML and AR or VR tools. Turn the Bus builds and deploys online educational content for 15 to 25-year-old students located in Bihar, one of India's most deprived and densely populated states for underprivileged and rural students. It provides leverage to produce instructional videos for outstanding students in the local community, those who passed the board exams last year. At the moment, this video content is distributed through YouTube and the Android app Transform the Bus. Number 9. Open Sidewalks. Engaging students of school age in collecting citizen science data across their culture with substantive dialogue on equality and access. Sidewalks have a primary travel mode that supports almost all other travel, exercise, leisure, and community events. This project seeks to build first-class members of an open data transportation network, pedestrian ways, particularly sidewalks. Extensive user-contributed open data on transport networks has been made available by the OpenStreetMap (OSM) project, providing the basis for many use cases and downstream activities, including rich analysis and travel paths, city planning, and disaster relief. In the OSM, some footways are annotated as separate routes. In general, however, sidewalks in the built environment have been viewed as an adjustment to streets. These were the 9 awesome tech products in GoFundMe. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Factuala squad and be a part of the channel. Thanks for watching the video.